Hi everyone, so for today we are going to talk about asa. Asa is a Bisaya version of where in English. Let's have some examples for you to find out how to use asa in a sentence. Asa imong balay. Asa imong balay means where is your house? Asa ang bangko. Asa ang bangko means where is the bank? Asa ang banyo? Asa ang banyo means where is the bathroom? Asa ang butika? Asa ang butika means where is the pharmacy? Asa ang ospital? Asa ang ospital means where is the hospital? Asa ang tindahan? Asa ang tindahan means where is the store? Asa ang palengke? Asa ang palengke means where is the public market? Asa ang airport? Asa ang airport means where is the airport? Asa ang bus station? Asa ang bus station means where is the bus station? Asa ang eskwelahan? Asa ang eskwelahan means where is the school? Now is your turn. I will be flashing some pictures and I want you to come up with sentences using asa. Let's begin. If your answer is asa ang palengke, you're correct. If you answer asa ang banyo, that's right. If you want more lessons like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Till next time, bye!